Recovering from ostomy surgery brings many physical and emotional changes, including concerns about intimacy. In this video, we'll discuss when it's safe to resume intimacy, essential tips to keep in mind, and products that can make your experience more comfortable. Right time for intimacy post-surgery. Tips for a confident experience. Helpful products for comfort and ease.
It really is not a set time to resuming sexual activity. Keep in mind that recovering from a serious surgery such as this, it will take time. And if you're feeling physically tired or you're still having any type of pain, you're most likely not thinking about having sex. So you do want to take care of your body first. Learn how to manage your ostomy before you start planning intimate encounters. Once you are ready to participate in sexual activity, here's a few tips that might help you. First, you want to empty your pouch before you get started. You want to maybe consider using a pouch deodorant. If you're wearing a clear pouch, something that it doesn't have a cover on it, consider wearing a cover, a pouch cover. They come in all sorts of different colors and fabrics and things of that nature. Consider wearing a wrap around your pouch, and I actually have one here. We've talked about it at other webinars, and men or women can wear these. It's a tube top type of product, and it's got a pocket on the inside that holds your pouch. So that will hold it close to your body, and it's not exposed for your partner to see or worry about or anything like that. Those with colostomies can, instead of wearing a whole pouch, they do make these caps that you can place over your barrier, so it's much smaller. So this will get in the way less, and then you might not need to use one of these covers. Start slow and gentle. Loving and kissing and touching and tenderness are all parts of that pleasure that you can achieve during your intimate encounter. Most people can participate in conventional positions unless there's some physical attributes that cause you pain, and then you might want to consider choosing other positions. I will take this moment though to show you some products. We talked about the wrap. Ostomy Secrets makes many products, and they're great for your intimate encounters. I have a woman's boy short here. It's nice and lacy. Again, it's got a pocket on the inside that will hold your pouch close to you. Here's another one that is tan, lacy, again, with pockets on the inside to hold your pouch. And they make underwear, nice, sexy underwear that you'll feel happy and desirable in. Again, it has a pocket on the inside to hold your pouch. For men, I would stick with the wrap. Or Stealth Felt makes this, it's a little bit smaller. All right, it wraps right around your middle. Your pouch goes right into this pocket here, and it zips up on the bottom. So this is great. You know, if your stoma is in the middle, off to the side, you can just move this around to get it where you need it. One more option, women, we do have a slightly sexier kind of wrap with some red bows. Those people like those quite a bit. I do want to mention at this point, a no-no, never use your stoma for penetration, all right? That is definitely a no-no.